Hi friends, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're gonna try Oishii strawberries. I found these at my local Whole Foods, and I had never seen them, so I'm like, let's give them a try. They are vertically grown, pesticide-free, perfectly ripe, non-GMO, and how to enjoy. Keep refrigerated and consume at room temperature for the best experience. So it says, handle with care. Sweet berries are delicate berries. Keep tray level, don't flip or shake. So we're gonna open it up. It's got like a little film on there. So here we have a Driscoll strawberry and an Oishii strawberry. Ready? Let's try the Driscolls first. Super sweet, delicious. I usually go for a really nice red strawberry. This one's a little bit less on the red side. They're all like that. But they're vertically grown. I would assume that they're picked when they're ready. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's sweet. But, wait, let's see. Okay. I'm definitely getting more tart from this after having the Oishii berry. It's actually really sweet and really good. Oh my. They're good, but here's the thing. That was delicious. So this tastes pretty, after the Oishii, I definitely get more sour notes. And it's good. But the Oishii berry reminds me of what I would get when I go strawberry picking in season. So they had these two sizes that I saw, and they had one in between these two, and then an even smaller one. So they had a few different sizes. Every package was $9.99, which, I mean, I will say I have spent $10 at Costco, but that is still a lot for what you're getting here. Maybe the smaller ones if you need more, if it's like for a cute dessert. They're really sweet. They're really good. I'm almost getting like a floral note too. Like it really has a floral taste. Let me try another one. They like come, when you pick it out too, look. It like comes out of the package. You see that? It's like a really soft plastic in there. They really are good. They definitely have a different strawberry taste. It's definitely more floral, sweet. Yeah, like almost like rose-ish. Oh, I love it. These would be perfect with like a rose dessert. Would I spend $10 on strawberries? No, I wouldn't. The container back there, the organic strawberries were $3.49, and that was on sale. Usually it's like $5.99, but still that's a lot better than $10.99, and you're getting a nice amount of strawberries. They are a little more sour. It's, you know, not really strawberry season right now, but these are grown indoor, so they can kind of control a lot more. Same with those, like they're grown elsewhere. They take a longer ship time. These are grown in New Jersey, so I am pretty close to it. They have a beautiful floral taste. I really like it. It doesn't taste like a regular strawberry at all. I've had 6 strawberries. None of them have been sour. So I had 3 of the big ones, 3 of the small ones. Not a single one was sour. They were really sweet. All had that nice floral tone, and I really like them, but I don't like them at $9.99. I think like $6.99 would be nice. Honestly, $3.99 would be even nicer, but I get it, the process that goes behind it and the pricing. So I do wish it was a little bit cheaper. It kind of reminds me of the pink pineapple where it started as $50 and then they said, hey, let's go down to, you know, $25, $14 I see it for now. I even see it for $12.99 sometimes. I'm not buying it still. I prefer yellow pineapple. With these strawberries, they are so fun, and I get the process of growing, which causes the price to increase. So I get that. I do think they're fun to try. They're definitely a conversation piece. It's not every day that someone comes and says, hey guys, I got some fresh strawberries. Would you like to try one? And you know, you peel it out of this little thing. So that's definitely a different experience. Or they're so floral and sweet, like you can use them on dessert, like on a rose cupcake, and it has that floral tone. It's super sweet. I don't think I'd bake with them because yeah, they're just expensive. I think they're more enjoyed as is, or like a garnish. So while I wouldn't buy Oishii berries all the time, they are really good, and I'm excited to see what my family thinks about them. I thought they were a hit. They were really, really good. Every single one tasted super sweet and had that floral tone. They all tasted exactly the same, which was very interesting because I get strawberries that are some are sour, some are sweet. These were all really sweet. Some were more floral than others, but otherwise they were really good. So we will see you guys soon. Bye, friends.